Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. Doing a quick episode today. Today is May 7th, 2025. And today eBay is doing a live presentation online on a summer seller update. And they're going to be talking about eBay live on location in Las Vegas. Today, they're going to give the information that we're waiting for. So that's all I'm here to tell you. That definitely check into that 3 o'clock Eastern time it starts. So if you didn't register, go ahead and register and get ready for the eBay presentation. We're going to talk about what's going on, fees, all the different things coming out this year. All the AI stuff's coming up. So definitely go ahead and check out that, register for that online right now. Again, it's today, May 7th. 2025, and eBay will divulge the information about Las Vegas and the date and the time and all that stuff. I got a preliminary date. I think it's August 12th to the 14th. That's what they're kind of running, but no location yet and no prices yet. So we'll see what they talk about today, and stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll discuss more in detail what's going on with that. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my Talking eBay page on YouTube. Appreciate that. Everyone listening in. Appreciate everyone emailing me. Thank you so much. And we'll be doing some more episodes in the future, so don't worry. We're just getting ready for the season and see what's cooking. So just a quick update. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the next Talking eBay.